Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to play the Fortnite in my PS5, and this is that message: update available and update is required to continue. Please restart Fortnite to download the latest batch. And in left side bottom it also shows one error code. So how to get rid of this error message? So my suggestion is this is not a error, which means that this is occurs if this Fortnite team releases new updates. So during this update notification, if you try to open this Fortnite, it shows this kind of message. So anyway, if you like to fix it, first of all force close this Fortnite from your PS5 and then go to your PS5 settings menu. So here I try to access users and accounts and select this other section. So next you can select restore licenses and finally click to restore. So after you done these processes, and one more time you can try to check that Fortnite update. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. And also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.